So in this video, we are going to see how to convert decimals into the binaries. So whenever you are converting decimals to the other number systems, you have to consider bases of other number systems. Like if you are converting from decimal to binary, then the base that you will be considering will be of binary, which is 2. So, following are the steps for converting decimals into the equivalent binary number. So, step number one will be division of the integer part and successive quotients with the base 2. And second step could be multiplication of the fractional parts and successive fractions with the base 2. So, let us take one example. So, consider the decimal number 39. Now this is the integer number and we have to follow only step 1 in this case. So what we are going to do for converting 39 decimal number into the binary is we are going to divide this number by base of the binary, which is number 2. So in the first operation we will divide 39 by 2. So quotient will be 19. So in that case 1 will be the remainder, which is nothing but 19 into 2 is equal to 38, and 1 will be the remainder. Then I will take 19 to the next operation. 19 by 2 is equal to 9 quotient with 1 remainder. In the step 3, the 9 will be divided by 2, which is equal to 4 quotient with remainder is equal to 1. Again, this 4 will be taken in the next operation, and 4 by 2 is 2 quotient with 0 remainder. Then this 2 quotient will be taken for the next operation, and 2 by 2 quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 0. So after that 1 divided by 2, the quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. So we have to read these remainders in opposite order, and this will turn into 1001111. So which implies that 39 of decimal is 1001111 of the binary. Now let us take second example. Consider a decimal number of 64.25. Now here integer part is 64 and fractional part is 0.25. So step number 1 will be converting 64, which is the integer part, into the binary. So we will divide 64 by base of the binary, which is 2. So the operation number 1 will be 64 by 2. The quotient will be 32, remainder 0. 32 by 2, quotient will be 16, remainder is 0. I will take this quotient again for the next operation. 16 by 2, quotient is 8, remainder is 0. 8 by 2, quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Again 4 will be taken for the next step. 4 by 2, quotient is 2, remainder is 0. 2 by 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 0, and further this 1 by 2, quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. Now I will be reading in opposite way. So 64 of decimal is equivalent to 1000000 of the binary. Now therefore the integral part or integer part of the equivalent binary number is 1000000. Now let us move to the step number 2, where we will deal with fraction. So we have to convert 0.25 to the binary. So in this case, we will multiply this fraction by the base of the binary, which is number 2. So in the operation number 1, 0.25 will be multiplied by 2. The result is 0.5. The carry will be taken 0. So in the step 2, the result is taken for the second operation. So 0.5 into 2, which is equal to result is equal to 1. So I can take carry 1, and which results into the 0 will be remaining for the next operation. So whenever I am getting 0 in the next operation, I have to stop. So I have to read it in a same order, and I can say that 0.25 of the decimal is equivalent of 0.01 of the binary. So in short, the binary equivalent of the decimal number 64.25 is 1000000.01.